In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add music to Blogger. If you want to make your blog more interactive and engaging, adding background music or an audio player can be a great way to improve the visitor experience. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the complete process of uploading a music file, connecting it with Blogger, and displaying a working music player directly inside your blog post. To begin, open your Google Drive account because this is where your audio file will be stored. Once Google Drive is open, click on the New button and select File Upload. After that, browse your computer and choose the music or audio file that you want to add to your Blogger website. Wait a few moments for the upload to finish completely before moving to the next step. When the file has been uploaded successfully, click on the audio file inside Google Drive. Then, open the sharing settings by selecting the Share option. By default, the file access may be restricted, so you need to change it to Anyone with the link. This step is very important because it allows your Blogger visitors to access and play the audio properly. After updating the permission settings, copy the file link and then close the sharing window. Now switch over to your Blogger dashboard. Open the post where you want to place the music player, or create a new post if you prefer. Inside the Blogger editor, locate the View option and switch from Compose View to HTML View. This allows you to insert custom code directly into the post editor. After opening the HTML section, place your cursor where you want the music player to appear. Then paste the iframe code for the audio player. Inside the source section of the code, replace the existing link with the Google Drive music link you copied earlier. Before saving the post, make sure the word View in the link is replaced with Preview, so the audio player works correctly inside Blogger. Once everything is ready, update or publish your blog post and refresh the page to test the player. You should now see the music player displayed on your blog. If you want a different player design or layout, you can use another version of the iframe code with customized styling. Just paste the updated code into the HTML editor, replace the link again with your Google Drive audio link, and save the changes. After refreshing your blog, you'll notice the music player layout has changed. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.